Morel mushrooms are a springtime delicacy that can be found in abundance in Tennessee. In this video, we'll show you how to find morels and share some tips on where to look, where to avoid, and how to cook them. First, let's talk about where to find morels. In East Tennessee, morels can be found in a variety of habitats, including deciduous forest, river bottoms, and even backyards. Morels are typically found in moist, shaded areas and are often associated with certain trees. Look for them under tulip poplars, ash, sycamores, and oak trees. These trees provide the ideal environment for morels to grow, as they create a moist and shaded environment that morels love. When picking morels, it's important to be respectful of the environment and other wildlife. Only take the mature mushrooms and leave the small ones and their spores undisturbed. Also be careful not to disturb the surrounding soil or vegetation. Before we go any further, we need to make an important safety disclaimer. While morel mushrooms are delicious and safe to eat, there are many other types of mushrooms that can be poisonous or even deadly. Always be 100% sure of what you're picking before eating it. If you're not sure, don't eat it. Now that you've found some morels, it's time to cook them. Morels have a unique flavor that can be enhanced with a variety of cooking techniques. You can saute them in butter and garlic, add them to soups or stews, or even grill them on skewers. When cooking morels, it's important to clean them thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. You can soak them in cold water for 20 to 30 minutes or just rinse them under cool running water. Once they're clean, you can cook them to your liking. The earthy, nutty flavor of morels pairs well with a variety of ingredients, including meats, vegetables, and grains. They're also a good source of vitamins and minerals, making them a healthy addition to your diet. So there you have it, folks. With these tips, you'll be able to find morels and enjoy their delicious flavor in a variety of dishes. Remember to be respectful of the environment and other wildlife, and always be sure of what you're picking before eating it. Thanks for watching and happy hunting. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.